Hi, this is Stephanie from the BEST Network, and today we're going to talk about the metadata associated with all images on the SLICE image bank. SLICE is the BEST Network biomedical image bank. It was created to provide academics and health professionals with a way of sharing and collaborating on images. SLICE provides superfast access to over 9,000 images, anytime, anywhere. We've received contributions from academics and health professionals across the globe, and it is important to us that all our contributors are acknowledged, so information about the copyright owner and contributor are recorded in the metadata. Thanks to these contributions, we have a huge variety of images, from macroscopic to microscopic, anatomy to pathology, as well as radiology images and diagrams. What this means is that images need to be easy to find, and a big part of that is the type of data we collect, and this differs for the different image types available on SLICE. First of all, I wanted to explain the way we've structured the database. Most of our images are associated with an individual, our subject. We know some basic unchanging information about our subject, such as their species and gender. Throughout their life, our subject has a number of incidents that make up their medical history. It might be that as a child, they're diagnosed with osteomyelitis. They suffer from bronchopneumonia as an adult and have a lung biopsy. And in old age, they die of a heart attack. In SLICE, each of these incidents will have an image associated. So an X-ray to diagnose osteomyelitis, a whole slide image from the lung biopsy made during the pathology assessment, and a photograph of a dissected heart from autopsy. And each of these images is associated with metadata about the subject's history, diagnoses, and descriptions. Now let's take a look at how this data is presented on SLICE. In our metadata panel, which is accessible by clicking the information icon in the top bar, the standard data presented for each image includes information about the subject, the body structures visible in the image, and any disorders if that's relevant. The next panel down, called Description of Image, is relevant to the type of image. So for macroscopic images, it includes information about the procedure by which the image or specimen was obtained, the orientation, a scale, and a description. For radiology images, information includes the procedure, the modality by which the image was taken, and a description. Microscopic images have information about the type of procedure, any stains used, the type of imaging used, the scanning magnification, and a description. Where relevant, we can also include information about the types of cells visible in the image and any cellular structures, as well as any antibodies that are used in staining. You'll notice that some fields are marked as unknown, because for some specimens, our contributors don't collect that level of information. In order to make images easy to find, we really only need to know the type of image, the body structures present in the image, and the disorder where relevant. But we've made sure we can capture the extra information where possible to enhance the value of the resource for everybody. Our next subdivision is clinical history, where information about the disorders that a subject has had during their lifetime are captured, even if they aren't visible in the image itself. We also have a de-identified description of their clinical history. The case materials section is a place where information relating to a group of images can be recorded. So it might be an overview of a number of specimens that all relate to the one incident, such as in this example with specimen 515, 516, and 518. And finally, our provenance section, which has information about the contributor and copyright owner, which is helpful when acknowledging the sources of images. To standardize the types of data we collect for SLICE, we use a standard terminology called SNOMED-CT, which stands for Systematized Nomenclature of Medicine, Clinical Terms. SNOMED has codes for species, body structures, disorders, procedures, and histology stains, among many other things. and we use SNOMED to ensure that the data is consistently presented and it makes our images easy to find. Thanks for watching.